Welcome to Lesson 11 of the AI Operator School. Today, we're exploring image capabilities. We'll discuss how AI can create images, and whether that truly constitutes creativity as we dive into understanding and editing images. When prompting AI for visual help, clarity is key. "What is this?" is too vague. Instead, provide a specific instruction, like asking to locate an export button. An image combined with clear instructions equals better results. There are three primary image-related tasks for an AI operator: analyze, which is about understanding an image; generate, which is about creating one; and edit, which is about changing an existing image. To master these, remember this workflow. Show the image to the AI, state the job you need it to perform, and then always check the final result to ensure accuracy. Here is a comparison. A weak prompt is vague and unhelpful. A better approach is to point to the feature, explain the task, and include a fallback instruction, such as telling the AI to report if it cannot see the element clearly. Let's pause and pick. If you want ChatGPT to help you find a specific button in a software window, is it better to paste a paragraph of text or upload a screenshot? Think about which provides the best visual data. The answer is B, upload a screenshot. The source should always match the job. If your text is too small or blurry, remember to crop or zoom in on the specific area to help the AI process it better. In this demo, by providing a clear screenshot of a task manager and asking the AI to find the export button, we get a direct answer. Always ensure your screenshot is clean and easy to read. When editing, use this formula. Change this, here. Keep everything else. You must be specific about what you want to modify. Clearly state what must remain untouched, and verify the output. To edit an existing image in ChatGPT, first upload the file, describe the change clearly, use the selection tool if necessary to isolate the area, and finally, review the generated result for quality. Pause and pick again. You need to remove one small object from an existing image. Should you generate a whole new image from scratch, or should you edit the existing one? The answer is B, edit the existing image. Editing keeps your approved design and details intact. You only want the specific change you requested to occur, not a complete recreation. Follow the preservation rule. A risky prompt just says, remove the old logo, which might lead the AI to change fonts or layout. A safe prompt includes, keep all other approved elements unchanged. Pause and pick one last time. If you ask the AI to remove a logo, what else should you tell it? Is it better to say nothing, or specifically instruct it to keep all other elements unchanged? The correct choice is B, keep all other approved elements unchanged. This protects your design, text, and structure. Remember the tip: always tell the AI what to change and what to protect. To create great images with ChatGPT, focus on your subject while blurring the background. Use cinematic lighting and strong composition to tell a story. Specify the quality you need and choose a visual style like film noir or Hollywood blockbuster to set the mood. Remember these keys for image editing. State what must not change. List key details. Protect your elements. Describe your desired changes and confirm the plan before finalizing. This ensures you maintain quality, save time, and avoid mistakes. Thanks for watching this lesson on AI image creation. We hope these tips help you operate more effectively. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning as we explore more ways that AI can assist you.